It was really clear that in the work that I do, we needed a focus on health equity. We needed to think about how we were going to get the right data and include the right people.
There is a gender research gap. There's also an ethnicity research gap. And in order to challenge and change things, we need researchers who ask different questions, researchers with different intersectional identities who think differently. And only when that happens will we be able to design the studies that are relevant to people who are underserved by current treatment and care. And we will do this in partnership with them.
It's really important to have a community voice in research, because ultimately what that does is it makes sure that our voice is heard in the way that we'd like it to be heard. So the great thing about being a researcher, as well as being embedded in the community, means I can act as a bridge between the two. It means I can, for example, provide a much simpler way of explaining the research to the community.
The patient voice in advancing HIV care is critical. It's so important that we listen to people's needs and their preferences to design treatments that work for them so that they feel comfortable to take them and it fits within their life.
People think of protecting them from research rather than protecting them through the research. So this is a key and fundamental difference in our ethos. And this is not a nice to have, it's a must have. The SHARE Collaborative has been at the heart of the development of long-acting injectable HIV therapy. And this has been a real game changer. We've published a recent commentary in Antiretroviral Trials. It was an invited commentary on our methods. The protocol has been published in the BMJ Open, and it's also been included in the World Health Organization toolkit as an example of inclusive practice.
So success in research for me is when the community voice is heard right through the research and you can see the impact at the end, whether it's through policy change or guidelines that shape people's care.
What I intend to do is to ensure not only that new drugs are developed and that there are new innovations, new modalities, but these are available and accessible and trusted by all of the populations who could benefit from them.